Vibration analysis. Procedures for accurate evaluation of machinery condition. Transducer selection. Transducer selection depends upon the job. For example, defects in anti-friction bearings for some speeds are best measured with a velocity transducer or an accelerometer. Lower speeds require a displacement transducer. If you want to measure how much one object is moving relative to another, or commonly called relative motion measurement, a displacement transducer must be used. Some examples are relative shaft motion in fluid film bearings and press or nip rolls, clearance in anti-friction bearings, amount of misalignment, and bend in a shaft. Much has been written on the selection and use of transducers, and most of it is inaccurate. The following rules may be helpful. Number 1, if you want to measure the amplitude of frequencies below 10 Hz or measure relative motion, a displacement transducer must be used. Some displacement transducers can be used to measure frequencies up to 1000 Hz. Number 2, for measuring frequencies between 10 Hz and 2000 Hz, a velocity transducer is the best selection in most cases. Number 3, for measuring all frequencies above 2000 Hz, an accelerometer must be used. When an accelerometer is used, it must be either screwed down or glued down. If this rule is not followed, the amplitude of some frequencies can be over or understated as much as 4 times. Also, some higher frequencies can appear as wide-banded noise and not as discrete frequencies with sidebands. Both situations cause serious errors in analysis. Accelerometers can be used to measure frequencies below 2000 Hz. However, the requirement for hard mounting is time-consuming and would not be the choice of an informed analyst. Number 4, when diagnosing problems in compressors and pumps, data from a pressure transducer is often required. These transducers are calibrated in MV per PSI and measure the pressure fluctuations in gases and liquids. Refer to the frequency response curves in Figure 3 in this video for transducer selection. Data is often required from more than one type of transducer for accurate diagnosis. For details description of this frequency response curves, it also could be found in the earliest video on the part of vibration analysis introduction on this channel. Thank you.